SocksChain. SocksChain is a program that allows to work with any internet service through a chain of socks or HTTP proxies to hide the real IP addresses. SocksChain is mainly used for multiple proxies at a time to maintain anonymous. Actually, using single proxy can hide your identity. But if anyone perform reverse engineering, it will be easy for them to contact the proxy server manager to know your identity. To make really tough to know your identity, use multiple proxies of different countries. Now if anyone tries to find out your original IP address, then you have to contact all proxy managers of different countries, which is potentially tough and cannot be done in most of the cases. We have provided latest version of SocksChain in our toolbox. Extract it and keep practicing to use it in perfect manner. In real time, it will be somewhat difficult to maintain SocksChain because you have to find the working and worthful proxy list. Explore the best proxy IP list in internet and use them. Moreover, you can find most of the working proxy list in our forums, so be regular to our forums. Double click on sockschain.exe file. Click on Accept button. Now the installation is completed. Open the SocksChain. Fortunately, SocksChain interface is easy to use. To update the proxy list, click on Tools and Proxy Manager and click on Update List. So if you notice, most of them will be in the dead state. So it will be better to collect proxy list and add them by clicking on Add button. And now start using it.